This is insane. SpaceX and NASA found a new sign of life on Mars. For the first time in human history, we were able to find life on a planet that is not Earth. Yes, you heard that right. I want to be on the first spacecraft to that planet. Maybe I should call Elon Musk after this video. You might be wondering, which planet is this? Well, if there is the name of Elon Musk, then no doubt Mars is the planet I'm talking about. According to recent studies, there is a 56% probability that life existed on Mars earlier. If this is correct, Mars will be able to support humans as well. But how did scientists come to this conclusion? And what has Elon Musk got to do with all of this? Welcome to Elon Musk Newest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on the new things we bring for you regarding the tech magnate Elon Musk and his wild endeavors. NASA's Curiosity rover has uncovered new evidence preserved in rocks on Mars that suggests that the planet could have supported ancient life. It has also found evidence for methane in the Martian atmosphere that could hold a clue for current life on the red planet. The Curiosity rover is a car-sized Mars rover designed to explore the Gale crater on Mars as part of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory mission. Curiosity was launched from Cape Canaveral on 26 November 2011. To put it into simple words, these rovers are like self-driving cars with attached cameras and arms. These are generally smaller in size as compared to the cars we know. Rovers are used to move around the surface of the planets and help scientists understand the planet. This is the reason why they are fitted with cameras. The rover's arms can also assist in picking up items from the planet so that they may be sent back to Earth for further examination. So, what did the rover find out? On the mountain surface, the rover, or robotic toy with arms, discovered valuable mineral and organic compounds. These samples led the scientists to believe that ancient life existed on the planet. From the samples, scientists say that they have found the presence of carbon on the red planet, Mars. Carbon is necessary for life to exist. As a result, detecting carbon on any planet indicates the presence of biodiversity. It's easy to remember that carbon means the existence of life. Although this isn't completely true, there are additional factors to consider too. There are a variety of factors that contribute to the presence of carbon in a planet's atmosphere, and also there are many types of carbon, so just having a carbon presence doesn't mean the existence of life. Out of the many types of carbon that are present, not every carbon means the presence of life. The many types of carbon that are present are called isotopes of carbon. Out of all the different types of isotopes, only the C12 isotope supports life forms. Imagine you want to buy a specific thing and enter a supermarket. There may be many things in the supermarket, but you only search for the thing you need. Here, C12 is the carbon type scientists are looking for. So much has been said about carbon. We are attempting to reduce carbon emissions on Earth and searching for carbon on other planets. What an irony. Subscribe to our channel so you don't have to search through other channels for interesting information. However, we must keep in mind that Mars is a very different planet from Earth. As a result, scientists believe it is too early to decide what caused the formation of carbon on the planet. We're finding things on Mars that are tantalizingly interesting, but we would need more evidence to say we've identified life, said Paul Mahaffey, principal investigator of Curiosity Sample Analysis at Mars, SAM. So we're looking at what else could have caused the carbon signature we're seeing if not life, he added. How did they examine the samples that were found? The rover is equipped with a mechanism that allows it to drill through the planet's rock and other elements. The interesting part is that it has an onboard chemistry laboratory to test these samples. The samples that were gathered from the surface were tested in this lab. How many samples were collected by the rover? According to the crew, the rover has gathered over 24 samples so far. The researchers discovered that carbon isotopes C12 and C13 were present in more than 6 of the 24 samples. The proportion of C12 and C13 discovered in comparison to Earth is based on a lot of math. To put this calculation into simple words, there are 1,070 atoms of C12 on Mars for every 1,000 atoms on Earth. So, is there life on Mars right now? Researchers claim to have discovered methane on the planet, similar to how the presence of carbon tells us about the existence of biodiversity. The presence of methane gives us hope that there is life currently on the planet. Aliens are real after all. Carbon represents life in the past, whereas methane represents life in the present. I wonder what compound speaks about life in the future. What is the relationship between methane and life? Methane is created by bacteria that help in the digestion of plants to animals such as cows and sheep. This is similar to automobiles emitting carbon dioxide as a result of fuel combustion. This is why methane has produced a lot of interest to further investigate Mars, as this could be a potential sign of life on the planet right now. However, this might be completely incorrect, and the creation of methane on the planet could be due to a variety of other factors. According to data, there is insufficient methane. If I were to simplify things for you, a large ocean-like planet has around 1 tablespoon of methane. Such a small amount of methane is simply not enough to sustain human life. Some experts believe that this methane might be created by the rover itself, as it travels from location to location. However, researchers looked at the subject and found that the rover would not be able to produce such compounds. They also found out that there is a difference in methane concentration during day and night. Why is there a difference in methane percentage during day and night? According to studies, methane concentrations are high at night, particularly in the area where the rover is now located. The sun's light heats the methane during the day, therefore the concentration is lower in the morning. We all know that hot air rises up. As a result, the amount of methane produced during the day decreases to almost untraceable percentages. The change in methane concentration between day and night is caused by this amazing phenomenon. The discovery of the rover on Mars has strengthened the signs of life on Mars. The rover was able to transmit images to Earth. Scientists suggest that water was one of the reasons for the creation of patterns on the surface. The high-resolution images also revealed that the cliffs were once the banks of rivers that flowed on Mars. According to NASA's research, life forms on Mars may have gone deeper into the planet's layers to survive. Other findings, such as the meteorites of Mars found on Earth, give further proof of life on Mars, in addition to the indications found on the planet. A meteorite was discovered in the Antarctic in 1984. According to investigations, this meteorite came from Mars and landed on Earth. This meteorite included traces of organic compounds that were thought to have been left behind by a long-ago civilization on Mars. How can scientists confirm that this meteorite was from Mars? Even though no one has ever set foot on Mars, scientists are confident that this meteorite came from the planet because of the organic compounds detected on it. These are identical to the compounds discovered on Mars' surface. But the question of whether there is life on Mars remains unanswered. However, it is research and evidence like these that lead us to believe that life may have existed on the planet and that humans may make it their new home. However, there are other obstacles that humanity must overcome in order to reach the Martian surface. This is where people like Elon Musk come in handy. More people like Elon Musk will be needed to work on projects such as Starship, which would make humanity an interplanetary species. Do you wish to be an interplanetary species and travel to Mars? Write it down in the comment section down below. Well, that's it from our side. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, and click the bell icon to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.